Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will guide you how to create a Discord account. Make sure you have installed Discord app from the Play Store. First open the Discord app. Here you can see the register option. Just tap on the register to create an account. Here you need to enter your phone number or email address you would like to. I am just entering my email address, or later I can also enter my phone number. Once you enter your email address, just tap on the next option. Here you just need to enter your display name. You can also skip this step. For now, just tap on the next. You can enter your username or leave as it is. Here on second option you can see password. Just enter your password. Make sure you enter strong and secure password of at least 8 or more characters. Once you are done with this step, just tap on the next option. Here you need to enter your date of birth. Tap on the create an account. Tap on confirm option. So now you need to do this captcha. Once you are done with this, tap on verify. So here is the option of choosing profile picture. You can simply skip this step or choose any profile picture. You can choose the Discord avatar, or simply from the plus icon you can just tap on it and select any picture you would like to. You can skip this step or simply tap on next now. Here is the option of helping your friends to find you. If you want to allow the search by email or number, you can just simply tap on it, or if you don't want, then simply don't tap on it. Click on the next option. Then here you can see your Discord account has already been created. So this was it guys. If you find this tutorial useful and informative, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe it for more tutorial videos.